When you hear the word make money online, the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is freelancing. For those who have heard this word for the first time, a freelancer is a self-employed person who offers his services online, especially in this era of tech. A freelancer doesn't have a boss and has the flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime. Although there are hundreds, if not thousands, of services to offer as a freelancer. However, there are some skills that are highly paid and relatively easier to learn. Here are the top 5 ways to make money as a freelancer. Most importantly, you can learn all of these skills within 4 months. Make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on finance tips. Starting with number 1. Content writing. Content writing is writing for online blogs, websites, or even magazines. It is one of the most in-demand skills. With the advent of social media and website blogs, every business needs to write stuff. However, not every business owner has time to write. Therefore, content writers are in high demand even after the launch of AI tools like ChatGPT. The reason content writers will always stay in demand is ChatGPT can write words for you, but it neither does extensive research from studies nor does it add emotions to the text. On average, a US content writer earns around $20 to $30 per hour. Number 2. Web development. Web development is one of the most highly paid skills of the 21st century. Even if you are an absolute beginner, you can start learning web development. Exodus Capital is like the Netflix of the financial world. You get access to thousands of videos where you learn investment, real estate, e-commerce, and much more from experts, so that you retire yourself at least 10 years earlier and enjoy your dream life. Visit the link in the description and get access to a monthly subscription now.